Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this would not be complete without some instructions to the digital franchise that I sent you to. So this is the purpose of this video right here. When you come to this page, you're going to find out that you've got an introduction, you've got the daily $25 1-up program. You pay $35 and you're into that. So that's all you've got out of your pocket. You get a copy of this whole franchise for that amount of money. However, you're going to want to sign up for the residual builder all, because when you watch that video and go to that page, you're going to find out that for $49.90 a month, I believe it is, you're going to have all the tools that you need. TJ will walk you through that, and you'll see what, how to make money with this system, and you'll be able to plug everything in to your digital franchise. Now, the other thing that you have is the lead generation and SMS tool. There's a video back there, and super simple $20 funnel pays you 100% instantly. So you get plugged into this for $20, so now you've got a total of $55 out of pocket up front, okay? And you can actually have your affiliate program with the super simple $20 funnel paying you 100% from everybody that joins. And you're going to be able to take this video and plug it into your digital franchise once you get in there. Now, if you're keeping a running total of what you have to pay out of pocket, you're at $55 right now. 35 and 20. $55. But you're at $49.95 every month right there. $49.90, I think it is. And then with the Millionaires Society, you're going to be at 97 plus $49.90 $146.90 per month. Now, can you buy a McDonald's franchise for $146.90 a month? Can you buy a Chick-fil-A for $146.90 per month? What can you buy for $146.90 per month? Well, you can get a complete My Digital franchise for $146.90. And then, what I did have in my digital franchise was the Best Easy Work, which is another source of income, but I don't think it's necessary to have that in there, so that's where this video is going to go. I'm going to put this video up online and have this leading to that video for an instructional page. And then on the last one is a free bonus e-course from Frank Calabra Jr. and totally free. So, ladies and gentlemen, that comprises my digital franchise, and I encourage you to get started today. Just go through the steps. 1, watch the introduction video. 2, join, $25 one-up. 3, residual income with Builderall. 4, the lead generation SMS tool with the $20 funnel, and then the Millionaire Society at $97 a month. This is good, and you get 50% of that once you're in there and you're linked into the affiliate program with the Millionaires Society. You get 50% of everybody that joins. So you're going to be making, let me see, 50% of $97, 97 times 150. You're going to be making $48.50 here. You're going to be making with Builderall 30% of $49. Let me clear 49.90 times 0.30 equals $14.97 from everybody that joins. You make the first $49.90, you get the whole amount, and then after that you're going to make $14.90 from there. So from one person you can make $63.40 a month. Let's see what happens when you multiply that times 10 people. $634.70 per month. And what do people really want online? They want a way, an inexpensive way to make money and keep it going with something like a digital franchise that we have, that we're offering right here. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is pretty much it. And let's get signed up and get you making some money. You gotta figure out a way to